In this new episode of Sacred Spaces, we're touring a wellness bar in downtown Concord, North Carolina that's offering nutrition-packed smoothies, cold-pressed juices, and meals. If you want to watch more tours like this from our Sacred Spaces series, please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification button. All right, let's get into this episode. Concord is a historic town just 30 minutes north of Charlotte's city center. It's become a suburb for the rapidly growing metro area, and while it still maintains a quaint charm, it's starting to be shaped by the same development defining the Queen City to accommodate residential growth and new businesses. One of those new businesses is the feature of today's episode, a perfectly located cafe on Union Street, Arrow Wellness Bar. Arrow Wellness Bar was opened in January of 2026 by entrepreneur Valerie Monzon, and ever since, her and her staff have been developing recipes and handcrafting beverages to highlight your beauty from the inside out. As we tour the space, I hope you enjoy this exclusive interview with Valerie herself.
My name is Valerie, and I'm the owner of Arrow Wellness Bar right here in downtown Concord. We opened the beginning of the year. It's a very intentional place where it's no more about balance. It's very healthy, it's very yummy, but it's very intentional to feed from inside out. I also have a waxing studio, which is in Concord. So I not only want to take care of the skin from the outside, I also want to be able to feed the right stuff to the skin. Now people are obsessed with the sandwiches. So sofrito melt and then the turkey avocado. Oh my God, I personally obsessed with the turkey. Even my employees at the Mallory Waxing Studio, they told me if we put crack in it. I'm like, hello. Also the cold pressed juices. But what's been the main hit from day one has been the smoothies. And that's why the smoothies are very yummy. They are natural fruits. There's no additive, no syrup. It's all fruits and natural sweeteners. So that's all you have in there. So it's not like you go to any other places where they just have ice and a bunch of syrups. We don't do that. And also if you want to make it more intentional, you could add maca, spirulina. You could add tons of other stuff. Anything that says beauty or good for you inside, I'm on it. I'm Dominican, and I was born in the Dominican Republic, but I was raised in the island of St. Martin. And then from St. Martin, I moved to New Jersey. And then in Jersey, my second job was in Joe's Crab Shack and working as in a restaurant. So there I started as a host. And then from a host, it was not my thing because I need to be moving. I'm very hyper. Everybody knows me that I need to keep doing stuff. And then from there, I learned to go and expo. So I did the kitchen. And then throughout the kitchen, I was able to learn the whole restaurant. So until I was potentially becoming the assistant manager. But I realized that serving and being the connection with clients, what was my calling, and I stayed as being a server. So I was working as a server during the night, and then I was working as an esthetician during the morning. So these both have always been my passion, and just to be able to connect them, both of them together, it has been amazing. A lot of people would say, hey, just keep doing what you've been doing already. So a lot of people was like, no, don't open the wellness bar. It's not gonna go well for you because you should focus on already what you're doing. But you know what? I don't listen, and I wanted to go ahead and just push for it. I mean, it's an experience, and it's a learning experience because, of course, I didn't know anything about opening it, but it's connecting both of my passions, both of the things that I have a lot of experience on and things that I love. And I think they go by together. You're just not beautiful outside. You have to make sure you take care of yourself from within. I started drinking supplements and beauty things boosters since I was 15. So, and it's something that I've been doing for my entire life. It's not something that I watched from my mom. It was something that I felt I had love for it. So that being said, I do have the experience in the restaurant, and I love to cook. I love to cook. I create all my recipes here from scratch. All the recipes that I make, it's based on the knowledge that I have for food. What has been a challenge is just to make the recipe, because I'm a little bit of like, listen, just pour until your ancestor tell you to stop. I am very big on that. So making the recipe to be consistent has been a little bit of a challenge, but we are getting better, and it's all very intentional. I love the people in Concord. I came when downtown Concord was like nothing. Basically, they didn't have the sidewalk and all of that, so it has come a long way. Let's make downtown Concord to be a destination for people to come walk, spend time with their family, or just enjoy the view, because it's a beautiful place and there's a lot of beautiful people in here. And I feel like if all business owner and the community that live in downtown Concord and Concord area, we will be able to be unstoppable.
I hope you enjoyed hearing from Valerie about the sacred space she's built at Arrow Wellness Bar. I'll put all of their information in the description box so that you can support them if you're in or around the Concord area. This episode was brought to you by Thrive and See, a media platform focusing on the intersection of wellness and cultural identity.